How to create an audiogram from scratch with just your phone. You don't need too much. Firstly, go to your phone recorder. This is it. Let's quickly record something fast and good. Hi everybody, this is Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. Now we're done recording that. Okay, so this is what we just recorded. Now let's quickly record something. Let's save it. We'll rename it to trial. Audio Active Wave. Now I'll come here and save. Good, so we have it all saved up. Now we're done with this. What you need to do is go back. I have two apps that I quickly use. I have a lot of apps that I use, but I use Headliner. Now when the app is opened, you press the plus sign. You see audiogram, you see automation. Let's go to audiogram. Now you see that I've done some things before because I use it a lot. Come to upload. Choose a file. Now because we already did the audio before, this is the file here. So that's why you should always save to the folder you remember. So you just go straight. You don't have to start looking for what is not looking for you. File has uploaded. Now we go to next. You want to choose the ratio of your audiogram. Do you want it in square? Do you want it in landscape or what have you? So let's do square, for example. This will determine maybe you have a picture or a graphic design you already want to use. So just know how the graphic design is. So this is what we have. Now you see a waveform, you see image, you see text. Let's say you have the image already. Let's use one of my picture because why not? I can't be looking for anything. Now the color, you can change it. So this is a color. I changed to this particular color right now. You can also change the appearance of the wave. You can decide to do this. I can decide to do this. I just expanded it. So whatever you say, it will follow your voice. Right? So we're done. Go back and this is what you have. Now we can try to write a text on it. Audio Active Wave trial. Let's just keep it this way or make it smaller. I don't want to do all of that. So this is it. This is what you have. Then you can go back. You already have it written on it. Oh, we need to make this color like a dark color. So text color should be let's use, since we're using orange share, yeah, let's try and do that. See, something like that. Do you get? So we go back. This is what we have. Then you create your video. One problem with Headliner is if you do not have the premium version, you're entitled to one on watermarked video for the month. Otherwise, every other video you do would have the watermark of Headliner, which shouldn't bother you, by the way. So let's go ahead to create. Let's tag this Audio Active Wave trial, and that is it. It's going to create. You are going to watch some clips while you wait because of course you're doing it for free, so you have to support them by watching some videos. And once it's done, you see it will just go on your home page. So the audiogram has been created. All you have to do is share the video and look for where to download, so it downloads straight into your device. Just like this. This is others. So when you get to other, you see a space to download. Scroll, 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 and download. And voila! File has downloaded into my gallery. And this is what we have. Now let's quickly record something fast and good. Hi everybody, this is Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. Now we're done recording that. So you see what I'm saying? It's not so hard to do an audiogram, and that's all you need for an audiogram. Now we have a lot of apps that we can also use to do this. That's really seamless. That you can record. You don't have to go through your phone recorder. If you want me to do that with AudioLab, comment in the comment section and I will. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen, and over here we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you fit talk, you fit create anything. So today, I don't show you how to create an audiogram from scratch with your phone. I did practical class, so you can't tell me that you don't know how to do it. But if you want me to do the audiogram with Audio Lab, comment and I'm gonna do it. If you don't learn something for today's wave, oh yeah, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you in my next wave. Wave off.